Kiva Williams. In 7th place from Houston Middle, Emma Adair. One of several medals today here for Emma. In 6th place from Elmore Park, Caroline Tartera. In 5th place from Germantown, Emma Haddix. In 4th place from Kirby Middle, Denise Gunn. And our top 3 finishers in 3rd place from Germantown, Summer Black. Our 2nd place finisher from Houston Middle is Jacinta Sullivan. She just finished the middle school girls 800 as well. And our champion for 2017 from Houston Middle, Olivia Freeman. Olivia has also won the 100, the long jump, and will be competing in the 200 a little bit later today. Middle school girls 400 meters, top 8 finishers.